In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up B2B wholesale pricing in Shopify without Plus. Open your Shopify admin in your browser. Once the admin loads, move to the left sidebar and click Customers. After the Customers area opens, look for Companies in the drop-down and click it. This takes you to the Companies page where you can create a business customer profile for wholesale ordering. On the Companies page, click Add Company in the middle of the screen. In the company name field, type Riverstone Retailers. Under Main Contact, click into the search field and enter a contact email. Because this is a new contact, wait for the option to appear, then click Create a New Customer. A customer creation form will open. Enter a first name, then enter a last name, and confirm the new customer so the contact is attached to the company. Now go to the shipping address section. In the country drop-down, select United States. In the address field, type the street address, then move to the city field and enter the city name. Go to the state field and choose the state. In the zip field, type the zip code. This shipping address will be used for the company profile. Next, go to billing address. Check the option to use the same as shipping address. If that option is not being used, re-enter the same address details in the billing fields, so both addresses match. Then move down to payment terms. Click the drop-down and select Net 30. This sets the company up with 30 days to pay after placing an order. When everything on the company profile is filled in, go to the top right corner and click Save. After the company is saved, go back to the left sidebar and click Markets. When the Markets page opens, look across the top area and click the Catalogs tab. This takes you to the Catalogs page, where you define special pricing for wholesale buyers. On the Catalogs page, click Create Catalog in the top right corner. In the title field, type Wholesale 20% off. This title is only for internal use inside Shopify, so it helps identify the pricing rule you are setting up. Under Product Selection, choose All. That makes this catalog apply across your full product range instead of selecting products one by one. Now go to the Overall Adjustment drop-down and click it. From the available options, select Price Decrease. A percentage field will appear. Click into that field and type 20. This sets the catalog to reduce pricing by 20% for every product included in the catalog. After that, go to the Status drop-down near the top of the page. Click it and select Active. This makes the catalog live and ready to be used for the company you are setting up. Then go to the top right corner again and click Save. At this point, the wholesale catalog is created with a 20% discount applied to all products. The catalog is also assigned to the Riverstone Retailers company location, so when a contact from that company logs in, they will automatically see the discounted wholesale pricing instead of the standard retail pricing. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That completes the full setup for B2B wholesale pricing in Shopify without Plus, using a company profile, payment terms, and a catalog with a fixed overall price decrease.